Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove credit card icons on checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and then you see credit debit cards and then you see credit card icon American Express, Amex, Visa, MasterCard. You see multiple. So we are going to remove or hide credit card icon only, and if you want you can block credit card Stripe payment gateway on Stripe dashboard. So go to Stripe dashboard and then you see radar dashboard, Stripe radar, and then you can add rules plus add rule block if, then you can add card brand and then add card name like Visa, Amex for American Express. So you can add or block any card. Now back to checkout page. So now we are going to remove only credit card icons. Now go to WooCommerce setting and we are in payment tab in WooCommerce setting and then scroll down. You see credit card Stripe by payment plugin we are using. So click on manage. So we are in Stripe payment gateway and then you see multiple options. Now you see credit card icons question mark. These selected icons will show customer which credit card brand you accept. So by using this only we are going to hide or remove credit card icons only. Now you see Amex, JCB, and we are going to add MasterCard now. Only two we are going to display and then click on save changes. Now setting saved in question mark. Now you see the selected icon will show customer which credit card brand you accept. So we added Visa, MasterCard, but this for only icon. In Stripe, if user add any card from these, Discover, Amex, American Express, then payment will succeed. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see only two icon appear, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. When we select, now here you see card number, only icon remove from here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.